Stop. Way too real.
Somebody pick the link! The link! Get out of there right now!
AJ, get out!
AJ!
Hi guys, I'm Sheila May Ponciano from the House of Gryffindor, and I'm here to make a film review about the movie entitled Unfriended Dark Web. Dark Web is a 2018 American screen-life horror film written and directed by Stephen Sosko in his directorial debut. The main character, including Erica Dunn, Matthias, DJ Lex, Amaya, Demon, Laura, AJ, Kelly, and Charons. After stumbling upon a laptop, a young man connects online to play a game with 5 close friends. He reveals a mysterious folder containing unsettling videos of people in distress. Soon after, they receive an anonymous message threatening their life if they disconnect or call the police. What was meant to be a fun night turns into a nightmare as each friend becomes the target of a malicious presence, leaving the other horrified and unable to take action. Yes, it has several trends in ICT that tackle in the film. It explored the hidden realms of the internet, known as the dark web, where illegal activities like hacking and illicit transactions occur. The film also addresses concern about online privacy, highlighting the potential dangers of sharing personal information in chat rooms and social media platforms. Additionally, it shed light on cyberbullying and online harassment, illustrating the devastating real-world consequences of this action. Through various hacking techniques and cyber threats depicted in the storyline, the movie emphasized the ease with which individuals can become victims of malicious online factors. Yes, this film has several internet threats, including identity theft, because the movie shows hackers stealing people's personal information to pretend to be them or commit fraud. The next one is malicious or viruses, because the film demonstrates how harmful software and viruses can get into devices online, causing data leaks and damaging systems. Also, the movie highlights the risk of online stalking, where people can be targeted by constant cyber attacks. The lesson I have learned in this movie are being safe online is important. And do not share your personal information to anyone because it teaches the importance of being cautious about what you share and access on the internet to protect yourself from potential harm.